2 days ago. Actually, what we did, we sprayed the weed killer to the site we working. As you can see, dye the plants and also dig the line for the concrete blocks. We laying garden edge concrete blocks, first of all split face charcoal. What we did first, set the line, spray the line, and the guys clean the line of the edge. Also I set the line, level it to continue all around the garden, 1.5 meter from the fence coming, and then the wall built there. This is 2-course wall, garden edge, and coming there 2 and from 4.6 will be 1 course going in the cap. I set 2 line. The first line is for course 1 and the green one is for course 2. It's all going through that area. It's about 42 meter, and this is a blocks interlocking concrete blocks, first of all a split face, and the color is a charcoal. So now we need to mix the concrete and laying on and following the line. The line is not 100% level. It looks like level by eyes because there is a different level from the top to the lower sides, and also I want the top line will be same and continuing all through. Any changes going under the top courses and the capping. Okay, let's start the job and show you later what we're doing. Okay guys, we're laying on the concrete mix. We mix it to the wheelbarrow by this concrete. It's a concrete mix, 20 kilogram each bag. We mix it 3 in the wheelbarrow by the water, and then we use it to laying the blocks in the line and then level it, following the line, the red line for the first course, and then we do the level. These blocks will lock together, you can see, in 2 sides, and also will lock in the top one by the dent. It's not moving anymore. Then we fill it up by the blue metal. We lay this and we should continue all the first course on the concrete. So guys, just continuing the job today. We laying the second course and fill up by the, this is a 10 mil blue metal. 10 mil, it's easier to going through the holes in the retaining walls and going down and fill up all holes. So you can use the 20 mil blue metal or 10 mil. I suggest 10 mil. It's heavier and it's easy to fill up the holes like this. It's going there, and these, some of them connected together. You can see there, it's fill up easy. This is the second course, and then we need to line the second course as well because it has some space to move the blocks and need to be checked by the string line. But when we back to job today, the client suggests to going just 1 course. They don't want the second course, and we need to remove it and just following the 1 course garden edge. It's easier to me, but lots of blocks left over, and we collected somewhere. Maybe they can sell it in the Facebook or Gumtree to the other clients needed. Okay, now it's time to install the caps. we need to, what I'm doing for the top blocks, if it's 1 course, 2 course, or 3 course, any of courses, the top course, the cap will be sit on the blocks, not on the dents. We need to remove the dents and make it smooth, clean, and then cap will be glued by the liquid nail to the top blocks. And I will do this. I need to remove the dent first, clean it, and then install the caps. So guys, we glue the caps. We use as a dot and continuing through the top course. Then we'll install the caps on top of it. And after install one straight line, then we can check it by a straight line to be correct and line to each other. Those part done. This part completed. There is a cut in the corner, and then we're going through the wall. We're using the liquid nail. Always I'm using this one. It's a good one. It's a high strength and actually using for masonry, blocks, bricks, concrete, tile, and ceramics. But need to be clean and need to be dry. Then install the caps on with liquid nail. Okay guys, tomorrow is Easter. I think we don't have enough liquid nail to finish the job. We need to back on the next Tuesday and continue our project to complete it. And see you then. So guys, the garden finished, the cap installed, the corners, one course going all the way to the end. You can see the corner. We did the cut, and also going there because of the different level, a step up and continuing.